Hi guys, it's David, Win August University, and today I want to do a little bit a different type of video. Usually I do review videos or stock updates or crypto updates, so just want to drop some value for you guys. And today I'm going to be talking about making sure that you set a limit on your investments. Don't get too greedy. Okay, what do I mean by that? So, cryptocurrency is blowing up. Bitcoin is all-time high, Ethereum's all-time high, and it's important. I'm holding for sure. It's important to hold these assets, get into these assets, because the whole industry is blowing up, right? Corporations are getting in. Elon Musk bought, Tesla bought 1.5 billion in Bitcoin, right? MicroStrategy has bought billions, and it's becoming more and more adoption as time goes by. Okay, but that being said, you want to Ivan on Tech actually says it really well. He's one of the most successful cryptocurrency channels, investment channels, and he says you got to put your feet on the ground. So what I mean by that is things might be blowing up, all cryptos, altcoins, a lot of these different stocks, GameStop, AMC, that whole thing. But you guys got to put your feet on the ground and make sure you don't invest all your money. You want to invest some of it. You want to make sure that you're staying on top of it, watching the charts, and not getting reckless. Don't get into things like Ponzi schemes where you're investing, like putting money into a company, sending your Bitcoin, your Ethereum into some kind of wallet that auto trades for you. I do believe that trading bots can work. I like algorithmic software that allows you to monetize and check your charts. I like all that, but don't put your hard-earned income, your hard-earned coins and tokens, or even just US dollars, Canadian dollars, into something that you don't completely understand. I've been through it. Several years ago, back 2017, I invested my money into, I made pretty good money day trading Bitcoin, literally. So I had quite a bit of Bitcoin. And what happened is I didn't have a complete understanding of what was going on. So I got into these different high yield investment platforms. Did not really understand what they were, but I was hungry to 10x my income or whatever, right? So what happened is I got greedy, and I put the money into these different organizations, and then I was making ridiculous amounts of interest. So my amount of Bitcoin would significantly grow. But several months later, after making quite a bit of money, what happens is they pull you in, is you start making these huge gains, and then you get greedy. So you're like, you know what, instead of putting what I'm comfortable to lose, you put it all in, and you're making huge gains. But one day you go on the websites and they just don't work anymore. So these are like little Ponzi schemes and stuff like that. So you want to avoid these things where you're making 10% interest a day or 5% interest a day. It's not a realistic number. How are they making enough money to pay you out that much interest? Okay, so just be careful. You want to check the companies out, make sure that they show their face, the CEO show their face, they get on weekly calls, they show their face on YouTube, they have social media, you can see their history of what they've done. So that's really important when you're looking into any kind of investment, right? Whether an altcoin, etc. So any project that you're buying. So it's not financial advice by any means, but I like a company called Celsius. So I actually moved a lot of my Bitcoin and my Ethereum and some other coins to Celsius because I believe in what they're doing. The CEO, Alex Mashinsky, goes on weekly calls. They're transparent about their numbers. They're fully licensed. They're fully get everything approved before releasing anything. They're transparent about who holds how many cell tokens. These are things I like. Okay, they have strong relationships with these banking industries and banks, and They're continuously hiring and showing who they're hiring, etc. So these are things to pay attention to. You know, Celsius manages billions of dollars in assets in cryptocurrency. So they're doing banking different. That's the whole thing. So I'm very bullish on Cell Token. But this video isn't about Cell Token. What I'm trying to explain is that you want to invest in the things you understand. Okay? Don't FOMO in and, you know, like for example, a lot of people made money on the GameStop stocks, right? They didn't really buy in because of the value. They bought in because of the hype. Now, if you bought at the top, put all kinds of money in, went all in, you could have got wrecked completely, right? If you didn't know when to get out at the right time, sell at the right time. So these things are important. Same with, you know, Tesla was blowing up for quite a bit. Some people bought in at the top and now they're in the negative because it dropped a little bit in price. You got to look at long-term value. So if you believe in the company, you believe in the project, whether crypto or stock market, if you're going to go all in on something, you shouldn't spend all your savings and your life savings and put it into your portfolio anyways. You should have some money aside so you can eat, so you can pay your rent, all that stuff. The rest is fine to invest if you're comfortable doing that, but don't put all your money in one basket, okay? But only invest in the things that long-term you think is gonna be successful. And do the research. Don't just think, but know in your heart, know that these projects are gonna be successful because you believe in what they're doing, okay? I believe in what MicroStrategy is doing. I believe in what Tesla's doing. There's a company called Mogo. They just announced Mogo Crypto. They're a Canadian company. I invested a little bit in them, right? And I have my whole cryptocurrency portfolio as well. But just know that you have to pay attention to the numbers. You got to pay attention to the graphs and know when to get in and know when to get out. Don't get too greedy that you're holding something forever and then it can go down. You sink with the ship, right? That's not good. So don't get too greedy. So lesson of today's video is do the research. The companies that you invest in, think about a long-term investment, right? Don't just think about buying in and selling tomorrow, even though I do like day trading, okay? Don't get me wrong there. But invest in companies that even if you held it, you're comfortable with sticking with them, okay? So do your research. Only invest in the things that you really believe in. You like what they're doing. You like their project. Also, make sure that you don't invest money that you're not willing to lose, because anything can go up and it can go down just as fast, if not faster, okay? So just be cautious. Yeah, that's pretty much what advice I want to give to you guys today. Like I said, back 2017, I did get wrecked because I was being reckless, right? I'm in a better state, I'm in a better situation now, obviously, and I know a lot more. So make sure that you spend at least half an hour a day researching, okay? Read your books, watch your videos, watch your YouTube videos. Just get access to information that's not playing video games all the time. I like my video games, but don't play video games all the time. Don't just spend your time wasting away. You want to do your research and increase your knowledge so that when you're in the room, when people ask you questions, you have answers. It could be any kind of subject, okay? So yeah, moral of the story today is don't get wrecked. Do your research, don't get wrecked. If you guys want to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, other cryptocurrencies in Canada, I have my links below with bonuses if you guys are doing your first deposit. If you guys are anywhere else in the world, I have exchanges that I use in the links below with bonuses always. And if you guys are looking at a good software, a great software actually, that gives you data of when you should get in and get out of a project, like a stock, a cryptocurrency, etc. I like using Lux algorithms. That gives you a good, great time to buy in or sell. It's not perfect, but it does help me a lot with taking the emotions out of the equation when investing into a stock or a cryptocurrency, okay? So I use that tool every single day. I really love it. And it just gives you that extra edge on top of your investments, okay? So if you guys are looking to get Lux Algo, I have a link down below as well. And like always, I have a promo code there. If you click on my link, and use the promo code. It's 20% off of Lux Algo if you want to utilize that as a tool. So once again, this is David Wynn, August University. Please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Hopefully this was valuable for you guys. I just wanted to do a little bit of a different video for you guys. I'm probably gonna call it August Talks, okay? Just so I can get you guys something other than a review or something like that. All right, so be positive, guys. Bring positivity to the world. Don't invest all your eggs in one basket. But yeah, just be safe. And yeah, just be safe. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Enjoy the time with your loved ones. And please hit subscribe and like and hit the notification bell. If you guys do all that and comment I got in, I'm going to be doing a giveaway once I hit 2K subscribers. I'm pondering $200 USD. So if you guys want to be a part of that, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you guys like giveaways, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because I try to add real value to you guys, okay? And girls, all right? Guys and girls. So this is David Wynn, August University. Have many blessings in your life. It's the year of the ox. So my goal is to have a very successful year. If you guys want to ride with me, let's get it. Let's go. And many blessings your way. Let's get it started.